Want to create a website but don't know where to start? No coding, no hassle, just simple steps to get your website up and running in minutes. Let's dive in. The easiest way to build a website is by using a website builder. Some of the best options include Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress.com. These platforms offer drag-and-drop features, making website creation super simple. Once you've picked a platform, select a template that fits your style. Website builders come with pre-made designs, so you don't have to start from scratch. Just choose one and customize it. Now, personalize your website. Add your logo, change colors, edit text, and insert images. Website builders let you do all of this with a few clicks, no tech skills required. Make sure your website includes key pages, a home page to introduce your site, an about page to share your story, a contact page so visitors can reach you, and if needed, a blog or store section. Most website builders automatically optimize for mobile, but double-check to make sure your site looks great on phones and tablets. Also, add keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text to improve your SEO and get found on Google. Once your site is ready, hit publish. Then share your website on social media, email newsletters, and more to attract visitors. And that's it. You've just built a website the easiest way possible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video.